Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spiral text effect on Adobe Photoshop. Go to the pen tool and select the curvature pen tool. And I'm just going to select shape instead of path. Then I'm just going to create myself a spiral here. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm just going to go around. My god, this is not good. I'll make like a smaller one, I guess. Something like that. And then you're going to go to text here. And then I'm just going to type, I guess, place it here or wherever. Okay, place it like in this section so almost all the areas get covered. And here is it. It's not perfect. You can also change the font here as well as the text if you'd like to. Hello. Ooh. Hello. Hello. That's gonna take me ages to type. But yeah, you can also adjust the text size here. For instance, maybe you want just one to be a little bit bigger than the rest. And like you want to like highlight some. Okay, maybe not that big. Maybe like that. And then like maybe this. Making it a little bit bigger than the rest. And then this one too. And then you can also like change the colors if you'd like to. Oh my god, I did not select everything. Like that, maybe. Just gonna give you some ideas. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.